Today we travel out to Phoenix for the BioClean conference, to network with different BioClean operators.
The second annual Mastermind, BioClean Mastermind. We couldn't be more excited to be able to do it this year, and I think it was a benefit for everybody that showed up.
I learned a lot today. It's just, learning everybody's struggle and what they're going through with their business. We're not the only one out there. Some days you wake up like, I'm the only one doing this and I'm the only one with the problem. That's not true at all.
The biggest thing for me is just seeing other people, somebody else's facility, and just how they operate. Everybody does things just a little bit different.
It's always great to see some of the older BioClean members that we've known and made connections with throughout the years, but it's also great to meet new people. I mean, we've had people from Canada all the way to the East Coast in Baltimore, through the Midwest, the South, Arkansas, Minnesota, Michigan, Vegas, all the way to California and us in Phoenix.
I love coming to events like this, getting in rooms of people smarter than me, with bigger businesses than I have. One of our biggest challenge right now, or challenge I guess, our next step in our business is to hire management. And that was my main problem I wanted to get solved coming down here, is kind of learning from other guys how they hired management and how they went about it.
When we were speaking with, I believe it was Chip earlier, from McLean, and just understanding the types of things that he's looking for and what matters to him in a bigger corporation. And also how to get a hold of the right person in that type of position. That was huge.
We're not just here just to sell product. That'd be easy. We want long-term relationships. We've had customers for 40 years. Because of that, you develop very, very close friendships. And just looking around here, the event's over and everybody's still hanging out. We're all talking about going out for dinner. What are we going to do tomorrow together, and so on. So that's what's really nice, and I kind of cherish that. It seems like they say birds of a feather flock together. And there are some really solid people in the group. I really appreciate how it's developed over all these years.